Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So basically today we're gonna replace the stator gasket, which is located right here. And to do that we're gonna remove all this fairing part over here. Once the gasket is replaced, I'm gonna also replace the oil and oil filter. This should be a pretty simple job, so let's get right on it and start. I'm gonna be using 1040 oil from LiquiMoly. We have the oil filter over here, gasket, and the stator puller. I will put a link in the description below for the stator puller. This is a very useful tool which will be used over here. We will have a clearer view when we remove the fairing, and this is used to pull this cover over here. So the first thing that we need to do is remove this top part of the fairing and also the bottom part, so we have access to the stator over there. In the meantime, I will be also draining the oil while I'm working on the fairing. So first thing that we need to do is drain the oil. So we will be undoing this drain plug over here, which has an Allen head. So just put an oil pan over there. So now that the oil is draining over there, we can just go ahead and start removing the fairing. So now that the fairing is removed, all we need to do is remove the clutch sleeve over here and start undoing all these bolts around the cover. Okay, so now that all the bolts are removed, we can go ahead and use our stator puller tool, which we can stick over here. Now that we have the new gasket in and the oil is drained also, I'm just gonna remove the oil filter, which is located over there. Just put a dab of oiled oil on the new seal. Just put it right back in. Make sure that it's just hand tight. Okay, so now that we have the new oil filter in, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling up the oil. So for now I filled the bike with around 3 liters of oil. I'm gonna put the plug back in, start the engine, turn it off, let the oil settle, check the oil level glass over here and see if it needs topping up. So after shutting off the bike, I let it settle down for a bit. And I checked the oil level, I topped it off a bit. So now it's sitting between the middle and the top part, which is pretty good now. I hope this video has helped you with your Ducati maintenance, and I will see you in the next video.